Fontaine, author of the Black Financial Literacy and Wealth Building Bible. We're here to discuss more ways to create wealth. We're here to fatten up your bank account, get that down payment for a home, and have the financial freedom you desire. Today, we'll be discussing your credit score and how it can accelerate your wealth building potential. I call it your financial driver's license. I call it your driver's license because without credit, you're unable to buy or purchase that car, home, or business, or accumulate the capital for entrepreneurship and to be a successful, wealthy individual. If you're able to obtain and have credit, the amount you pay will be based upon your credit score. The higher the score, the less you pay. The lower the score, the more costly your purchase will be. Today, we will discuss what makes up your score, the consequences of having poor credit, ways to maintain a good credit score, and what is a good credit score. Your credit score is the single largest component banks and other lending institutions look at when deciding whether to extend credit to you. The ability to borrow and use other people's money is critical for financial success. Less than 1% of us could sustain our lifestyles without the extension of credit. But really, what makes up your credit score? Well, the greatest component is your payment history. That makes up 35% of your score. Always pay your bills on time. No 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 day late charges. Your debt utilization or credit utilization is 30% of your score. That is if you have a $1,000 credit limit. To obtain the best score, do not charge more than $300 on that particular line of credit or credit card. The length of your credit history is 15% of your score. The longer your credit history with the company, the better your score will be. The type of credit you have is another 10% of your score. Have a mix of credit types, consumer loans, home loans, automobile, business loan. You don't have all your credit tied up in one particular area. The number of credit inquiries or recently opened accounts make up the remaining 10%. So don't open up a lot of new accounts at the same time, or especially when you're thinking about making a large purchase. What is a good credit score? Your score ranges from 300 to 850. The average score is 710. 850 to 800 to 850 is an excellent score. 740 to 749 is a very good score. 679 is considered fair, and 300 to 579 is very poor. Good score 679 to 739. To get a credit report, go to annualcredit.com. This will give you access to 3 credit reporting agencies: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. But what are the consequences of having poor credit? You pay higher interest rates when financing any purchase. Your health insurance costs can cost you more because you're considered a higher risk for health treatment. Car and home insurance can cost you more with poor credit. Your rates in many cases will certainly be higher. Having poor credit may also require you to pay a mandatory deposit for water and utility services when renting or leasing a home. Okay, what are the ways to maintain a high credit score? Okay, always pay overdue library bills and parking tickets. Don't ignore mistakes on your credit report. Contact the credit agency and have them removed and corrected. Don't make late payments or skip them entirely. Close recently opened accounts and credit accounts. And this is very important. Use no more than 30% on your available credit on any account. It's better to have $600 in credit balances extended out over $300 on 3 cards with a $200 balance than on 1 card with a $600 balance. The agencies want to see that you can use credit wisely. And of course, don't run up high balances. And also, don't apply for new credit repeatedly. Okay. Negatives: if there's negative things on the report, have them removed, like loan defaults, late payments, delinquencies, charge-off, or collections. Remember that businesses want you to purchase from their store. They want you to have credit. 7% of our economy are based upon credit. So if you're handling it responsibly, they will give you the credit. Okay? Well, thank you for tuning in today. If you'd like additional information on my book, The Black Financial Literacy and Wealth Building Bible, or more or more information on this subject, go to my website, blackfinancialwealthbuildingnetwork.com. Also, again, if you wish to purchase my book, go to amazon.com books. You can also check me out on Instagram at Black Financial Wealth Building or on Facebook at the Black Financial Building Network. This is David Fontaine. I look forward to seeing you next week. God bless and thank you so very much for tuning in and have a blessed day.